Based on my experience as a content creator, as well as someone who's built out digital signage networks, if I had to give a piece of advice to somebody building out their first network, I would recommend testing out your potential network in various locations. So some of the biggest hiccups that we encountered when we deployed our first network was interconnectivity and consistent access to internet. So if you're going to be deploying a streaming solution that requires a 24/7 access to internet, that could be problematic at times because sometimes Wi-Fi routers reset or the internet drops off, and you need to prepare for that and be able to make sure that, if the internet goes down, your content doesn't go offline. So I think that was probably the biggest hurdle that we had to overcome when deploying our first network. And I would say that being able to pilot in different kinds of environments is probably the biggest tip I would give to somebody that's trying to roll out a new signage network.